This concept map visually represents the key aspects of the Family Code of the Philippines, which is the Executive Order Number 209, Series 1987, outlining the legal framework governing family relationships in the country. It categorizes important family-related laws into different sections. So first is the marriage and its requisites. It covers the essential and the formal requirements for marriage, void and voidable marriages, and the rights and obligations of spouses. The second one is the legal separation and annulment. It explains the grounds of legal separation, differences between annulment and declaration of nullity, and their effects on property and the child custody. Third one is the property relations between spouses. So here it discusses the different property ownership systems in marriage, including the absolute community of property, conjugal partnership of gains, and the separation of property. The fourth one is the rights and obligations between the parents and the children. So in here, it states that the details, parental authority, the responsibility, and even the legitimacy of children, or the children is legitimate, illegitimate, and adopted. And also, it included here the provisions for support, custody, and also the inheritance. And the fifth key aspect is the adoption and foster care. Differentiates the domestic versus the intercountry adoption, the legal processes, the requirements, and even the rights of adopted children. So for number 6, paternity and filiation. So it covers the legal presumptions of a child's legitimacy, proof and recognition of illegitimate children, and the rights to a name and inheritance. Let's proceed to number 7, which is the family home and support. In here, it defines the concept of a family home, exemptions from execution, like protection from being taken due to debts. So, in here, it also involves the entitlement to support and the types or amount of support. Number 8 is the succession and inheritance. So in here, it explains the inheritance laws in distinguishing the legitimate versus the compulsory heirs, and the wills versus intestate succession, and how estates are distributed after a person's death. So overall, the purpose of this concept map is to provide us a structured summary of the family laws in the Philippines, which helps the individuals to understand their legal rights and responsibilities regarding the marriage, property, parental duties, adoption, and also the inheritance. That's all. Thank you.